Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade V70 Max, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's scroll down a little bit to find this ringtone section and tap on phone ringtone at the top. Now we can choose for which SIM card we would like to change the ringtone, so we can do it separately for the first and separately for the second SIM card. I'll show you how to do it using the first one. After tapping on it, we will be transferred to the full list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. Or we can tap on Music and we will be transferred to our own files. So for example, if you've got something downloaded or recorded, then you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. But I will find something in the pre-installed options, and basically all you have to do is to tap on the specific option which you'd like to check and then decide whether you like it or not. So for example, this one. So let's pretend I want this fall to be set as my own ringtone. So all I have to do is to make sure that it is marked and then confirm it with OK. And now, as you can see, it is immediately notified right here and also here, which means that from now on my device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.